A very good morning to you all students. So today we are going to start up with the next chapter from the part of social studies, that is the climate and the season. So we are going to understand the climatic changes and the seasonal changes that occur down in our atmosphere. Okay, so definitely the climate has changed down in our season, as sometime we will meet with the summer season, sometime it is the winter season. So similarly the climate and season both are being changes down. Okay, so the main thing that we are going to discuss down in this chapter is what is actually the meaning of weather and climate, and what are the seasonal changes that occur down in India. But before starting the chapter, here is one let's go given down. So let us read that what is included down in this let's go. India has a varied climatic condition. In winter, cold winds blow over the whole of North India. Many regions get a very heavy snowfall. Ladakh is one of the places which becomes very cold in winter. Most of the people leave their houses and move to the places where the weather is cool or moderate. On the other hand, Goa has a pleasant and moderate weather in the winter season. The weather of place determine the types of clothes and food we eat. Thus, it plays a very important role in our life. So we are discussing here about the climatic condition. So we are talking about the winter season. So we all are completely aware in the winter season we are expecting down a cold wind, a blow of cold wind. Okay, so ठंड होती है उस टाइम पे. So definitely some of the areas, some of the regions are there we can able to see up a very heavy snowfall as well. So Ladakh is a place where you can able to meet with the extreme winter. लद्दाख में बहुत एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे ठंड होती है उस टाइम पे. And some of the people are also there that moves from one place to another in search of a cool or moderate climate. So pleasant climate is being expected down by those people. And definitely the weather also determines down that what types of clothes is being worn by us. It is not like that in the summer season or in the winter season, both the season we are wearing the woolen clothes. So definitely when the weather change down, the structure of clothes that is being worn by us is also being changed down. Okay, so here is one question given that you have to answer to me. What type of clothes are you wearing? How are they different from what you wear in other seasons? Okay, so you just have to tell me that. So moving further, now we are going to start off with the chapter that is weather and the climate. So starting off with the weather. What is weather? So Raji, in our atmosphere we can able to see that there is a different layers of air present in our atmosphere. Okay, so the condition of air around a place at a particular time is called a weather. Changes in surrounding of air makes a place hot, cold, dry or wet. So that is determining down the weather. So moving further, when we talk about the climate, when a place has the same type of weather for a long period of a time, that is representing the climate. Climate occurs down for a long period of time. On the contrary, the weather occur down for a short period of a time. Suddenly you will met with the rainfall. It means what you will say, the weather is so pleasant, the weather is so good that there is a rainfall. But when we talk about climate, so climate, it means the season goes around 4 to 5 months continuously, that representing down the climate. Like summer season is there, winter season is there, so that is representing a complete climate over there. Okay, so the climate of a place depends on the temperature and amount of rainfall that is being received down by them. And temperature and rainfall in India varies down from one place to another. We all are completely aware that different places had different temperature. कहीं पे ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, कहीं पे ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. हमारे इंडिया में भी हमें ये चीज़ देखने को मिलती है. We analyze this in our India as well. So when a particular amount or when a particular type of a climate continues down for a very long period of a time, that becomes a season. So what are the main seasons that are there in India? The first one is summer season, the second one is monsoon season, third one is autumn season, winter season and spring season. So starting off with the summer season, so what is included down in the summer season? So summer seasons, most of the people in our country as well, they do not like the summer season at a greater extent. So what is the reason behind that? So let us read that. So summer season, we all know it is representing the hotness, okay, hot and dry winds like a loo. So loo is blowing in the air, and that is a very problematic for us. Summer usually begins from the month of April and it lasts until the end of June. It started down from the month of April and it ended down till the end of June. Hot winds will be blown down there, and that was known as loo. Okay, so the places in the southern part of India which are near the sea have hot and humid summer, and when we talk about the northwest part of India, that is extremely hot. जो southern part है वहाँ पे तो गर्मी होती ही होती है southern part में भी summers में, but when we talk about northwest part like Gujarat is there, Maharashtra is there in the northwest part, so that is very much extremely होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होना, so that is extremely hot and dry. And the northern part of India, that is near to the Himalaya, so that it means that is near to the Himalaya is covered with the snow. And in the summer season too, we receive a pleasant atmosphere in the northern part, that is near the Himalaya. So that is going to be a beneficiary for the people who are living there. So pleasant होता है कि अच्छा atmosphere होना, ना ज़्यादा गर्मी ना ज़्यादा ठंड. Okay, so moving further, when we talk about the monsoon season, so monsoon, we too love the monsoon. So monsoon, or we can able to say a rainy season, that begins in many part of India by the end of June, and most of the region receive heavy rainfall during the season, and river Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari are filled with the water. Rajat, definitely. So these rivers demanded down the water, and in the monsoon season they got a rainfall, and rainfall means excess amount of water. So that is why these rivers fill down with the water in a complete extent. And some of the areas in our India like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Tripura, just because of this heavy rainfall, they have to sometime face down the flood as well, that is natural disaster. In the monsoon season, there is a risk of flood in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam and Tripura. Okay, rainfall, Rajat, definitely the rainfall is good as well, but this kind of a flood destroy a lot many things and destroy a lot many lives as well. So how the rainfall helps the farmer? As rainfall helps the farmer in growing of different crops like rice and juice, because definitely for the growing of the crop, the farmer too need the water, and in the season of monsoon they got a plenty of a water, they got an excess amount of a water, so that resulting down in a good crop building. Okay, so moving further, the next type of a season that is there is an autumn season. So what is autumn season and when does we can able to experience this? So we experience the autumn season in some part of India in month of September and October. In the month of September and October, we can able to see up the autumn season, and this season actually shows that the winter season is quite near. So the hot temperature goes away and a pleasant and a cool temperature starts coming on the way. So the temperature at this time period at the autumn season is very pleasant, is very good. Another type of season that is there is winter season. So definitely when the autumn season ended down, the next season that came into the existence, that is the winter season. And when did it last down or started down? As in many part of India, the winter season begin up with the November and lasts till March. Okay, in the March season again, what happened? In the March again, we too start observing down the summer season. So what happened in the winter season? A cold wind. Winter season, it means a cold atmosphere will be there. So ठंड का मौसम है, so definitely the cold atmosphere we can able to see up here. So cold winds blow throughout the day, and many places that is covered with a dense fog. Fog होता है राजे धुंध, ठीक है. So fog we can able to observe up in the winter season. When you walk up in the winter season in the morning or in the night as well, you can able to observe the fog in the atmosphere. So that is there in the winter season. So some places like Shimla, Srinagar, Ladakh, which lies in the Nadran mountain, receive heavy snowfall during the winter season. And the western part of India, the sky is mostly clear during the day and it is very much cold at the night. And the southern part of India, many places get rainfall in winters as well. So temperature here is very much cold, a very cold temperature is there, and the hot places are not being existed down in the winter season. We can able to see the fog there, we can able to observe the snowfall in the winter season. So moving further, the next type of season that is left down. Rajay, in the winter season, after the winter season, a small season was there, that is spring season. And after that, the circle goes back to the summer season. Okay, so what happened in the spring season? So Rajay, in some of the places too, we experience a spring season. And when does it started down? When the winter season ended down. It started in the month of March and it continues till the April. Okay, so the temperature at this time period is quite pleasant. A good temperature will be there, and most of the trees and plants bear different types of fruits and flowers in this season. So we can able to see up the different types of fruits and or they produce down the different types of fruits or flowers in this season. So these are the main seasons or the weather or climatic changes that happens down. So 4 seasons are there: summer season, monsoon season, autumn season, winter season and spring season. So further, after the spring season, which season came down here? That is the summer season. Okay, so similarly the cycle goes on. So hope you all are completely clear down with the chapter. So now what you have to do after watching this video, you have to read down the chapter thoroughly from your book. So Rajat, this is not going to be a very difficult chapter. This is very simple one, as this chapter only deals with the seasonal changes that we have observed in our day-to-day life. So this one is considering to be a very short and very simple chapter, and read this chapter from book by yourself, and after reading this chapter, try to do the exercise that is given in the end of the chapter. And Rajay, try to do this exercise by yourself even without taking help of any other person.